How is rice? Wow, golden rice. Do you like to eat rice? It's hard work.